bike ride. I'm doing it because I love doing it. That's basically the only reason why I'm doing it, because I love doing it. So that's why I'm doing it. It's like I'm taking my friend with me for a bike ride. So that's one thing. I think I'm going to have to cross this bridge. Have my eyes on the road. I don't need to have my eyes on the road. I don't need to have my eyes on the road. I'm saying it now. What is that? Victoria George. No, let's go. New road. Exploring a new road. Eyes on the road. Let your camera see for yourself, but your eyes must be on the road. By the way, if you yet don't know which city I am from Chandanagar. It's a city 40 kilometers away from Kolkata. If you take the train, then it's only 30 kilometers. So it's safe to say Chandanagar is just 30 kilometers away from Kolkata if you draw a straight line. But if I take my bike and go to Kolkata, then it's 40 kilometers away. And we have got another famous city near Chandanagar, which is Bangalore. Chandanagar is pretty famous in West Bengal. Chandanagar is very famous in West Bengal for its Jagadhatri Puja lights. Chandanagar is famous for its lights. It's Jagadhatri Puja. There is a temple over there. I think I have been to this road before. Why was the bike honking? Boys Club. Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. If you are making a vlog like this, it's very tempting to look here and there and tell your viewers what's going on. But that can be very dangerous, right? So, Delhi Para Ferryঘাট on the right hand side. Over there, we go. What is that? Primary school. Couple of cyclists. Maybe they swear at me on first time. Couple of cyclists. Remember, if you are making a vlog or a video, you are making it for your viewers who genuinely love your videos, not for random people on the street. Remember that in your video, then you can focus much better. I should take a fast course. Maybe not personally, but I should look up like YouTube videos for fast coaching. I'm going into a congested area once again. I need to keep a lot of chewing gums in my stomach. guys see what just happened? Yeah, it's a 360 camera with block traveler. One guy just spat on the street. I don't know if he saw me or not, but he spat right on the street. Couple of days I came here with my GoPro as moto vlogging and I got lost over here. So let's go. And I'm not fooling around. This is not a joke. Moto vlogging like this is not a joke. It's got tremendous potential. Moto vlogging like this got tremendous potential. At least for my personal growth. That being taken on the road. Let's take the right turn. So many people are looking at this setup, but I am not focusing on them. Then I cannot talk clearly. Is there a way out, or I have to take U-turn? Let's see. I think it's a U-turn. I'll have to take a U-turn. Angry Hanumanji over there. Pakistan flag. I think I saw a Pakistan flag on the road. What's the Pakistan flag doing over here? Tell you that I am wearing this Korea t-shirt because it's really comfy to wear. I did not find a similar t-shirt which has Korea on it. God, that Toto is standing in the middle of the road. So important. It's very important. I'm now trying to get out of this place. Or I'm getting just more tangled up. I don't know. Maps. I can use the maps. I missed today's aeroplane class. I really wanted to try it, but I missed it. I'll try it next time. I think I'm almost out. Almost out or almost in? I started learning English much sooner. God, it looks like I'm in Pakistan. Because at first I saw that Pakistan flag, then I saw another Pakistan flag. I can't really see a way out, but let's use our mind and continue going. Probably we are going to find a way out. Last time we did find a way out, so I need to make sure that these videos are a safe place. If you are just uploading your video on one social media platform and thinking your video is totally safe, no, you are wrong. Because if your channel gets deleted, then your video goes deleted too. So at least on 2 social media platforms. That's important. At least 2 social media platforms. You can't let people, anybody, tell you what's important for you. Anybody. You can't let anybody tell you what's important for you. I think I'm out. Yeah. I recognize this place, recognize this road. Look at this house over there. It's got to be so old. Probably the boys are trying to get some mangoes from that tree. And that's not my problem, but it's a problem of the tree owner. Which way to go? I've already covered Chandanagar strand. That's the biggest attraction of Chandanagar. Generally, Chandanagar strand. But during Jagadhatri Puja, after Durga Puja, after I guess 15 days, after 15 days of Durga Puja, we get Jagadhatri Puja. So then that's the biggest attraction of Chandanagar. Oh, I was going too slow for that gear. If you are going slow, you need to ride on a lower gear, or you need to have very good class control. I need to just go straight ahead, and I'm basically out of this place. The road is good, not bad. The corporation, the government who built this road. Go to a bigger road. I just need to go to a bigger road right now. I've spent way too much time in this narrow roads. I'm getting way too claustrophobic. Don't go that fast. Leave the plane ticket on the road. It's too dangerous. One kid just moves suddenly like that. It's too dangerous. What does he know about life? I think this is a law. I just saw that electric Moto like thing. That's what that green number plate on it. I think this is a law. But most of the Toto users don't really follow this law. And I was watching this YouTube video. Oh man, that bike also has got no number plate on it. I was watching this YouTube video. It's cool. Yeah, we cannot let people. Hopefully we have got a number plate on the front. We cannot let people ride. If you ask me, cycles should also have number plates on them. Why not? That would make the world way safer. Every vehicle must have a number plate on it. They have got this spot for the number plate. But we don't see number plate over not that. We just save drive, save life. I can see my way out. probably all of them.